Hello, it's Miss Esther. Are you ready to do some giggling today? Let's learn about the letter G. Hello, G. G the goose is giggling, and as she giggles, she makes the sound g g g g g g g. That's the same sound I would make if I was giggling. You can put your hand on your belly and make that sound, or you can put your hand on your neck if it's hard and make that sound. This will help indicate where that sound's coming from. It's in the back of your throat. G, g, g. You can even feel the vibration if you make it just right. So I'm going to read you the story, and as I read it to you, you got to think about how silly this is. It's a gecko telling the story, and he says that this gorilla bumped into a grazing goat, and this gorilla was made out of gumdrops, and the goat gobbled up the gorilla. Isn't that just a silly story? G the goose giggled, made the sound g, 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 as she told her friend the gecko a goofy story about a gorilla made out of gumdrops. Giggle with me again. G, g, g. G the goose giggled as she told the gecko that a gumdrop gorilla is a good treat for a grazing goat. A fun activity found in the Amazing Action Alphabet activity book is to take your gumdrops and you can make a gumdrop graph to see which one's the most and which one's the least. Then you have your handwriting book where you're going to trace the letter G, doing it with 3 different crayons to make rainbow tracing. And when you're doing your handwriting level 2 book, you actually start in the middle of the tree branch, go down to the mouse hole, back up to the middle of the tree branch, and you get to meet the worms. You go past the mouse hole to meet the worms on the lowercase g. It's pretty fun. When you're practicing the letter G, it's nice to review your other letters by matching the upper and lowercase letters. I put them on GIFs. So let's see. Here's the uppercase G, and there's the lowercase g. I'm going to take this gift, and I'm going to get to open up the present and see what's on the back. On the back it has a picture of a dog. Let's see what sound is at the end of the word dog. D, A, G. Did you hear the sound G at the end of dog? I did. So you can match your gifts that way. Those of you that are ready to read in your Amazing Action Alphabet Beginning Reader book, you're on lesson 16. On lesson 16 is another silly story about a boy named Gil getting silly presents. This time he got a dog on a log and a cat that's fat. This is my favorite one. Gil got a pig and it's big. Would you ever want a big pig for a birthday present? An enjoyable activity you can play with that to review rhymes at this point is you can match the rhymes from this side to the pictures on this side or the words. So here's big, and it ends in an ig sound, and here's pig, ends in an ig sound. So they rhyme. Big pig. Don't forget to review your other sounds that you've learned so far and your sight word list that's found in your beginning reader book. Now for these and other ideas, don't forget the website, seeheardocompany.com.